Now on the radar, things are quiet for our coastline. The rain, like the last couple of mornings, is locked over on the East Coast from Palm Beach County all the way through downtown Miami and Key Biscayne. And they'll see about a 10 to 20% chance of a shower here throughout the morning and afternoon hours. These showers stretch all the way south through the Florida Keys. But once again, from Marco Island all the way to Arcadia, we're dry and our rain chance will stay very low here in the days ahead. We are watching some visibility issues as we check out some of the reporting stations in town. Out at RSW, 67 degrees, humidity at 97%. You get these dew points above the mid 60s, and it feels a little humid outside. Our sunrise time later on this morning, 7:17. In Naples, 71 degrees with the east wind at 7. So with relatively calm winds, especially inland, we're seeing some visibility issues down to a mile from Clewiston all the way through Immokalee, where about 15 minutes ago the report was down to 1/8 of a mile, and we're starting to see some of that fog start to creep towards Arcadia with 4 miles visibility now down to 8 in Fort Myers and Cape Coral. One of the reasons the fog will be a little more widespread today are the winds are fairly calm from Palmdale all the way towards the Cape. A little lighter there in Port Charlotte at 3. And as we look at your day ahead, that fog will lift by 9. We'll see another hot afternoon going back in the mid 80s and a fairly nice evening on the way with temperatures holding in the 70s. We've been very hot thanks to an area high pressure that is blocking any type of cold front from moving through. Matter of fact, it took the storm system that brought severe weather in the southeast and actually moved that front farther to the north. And this morning, these showers and thunderstorms keep training over the same area. So there are 2 flash flood warnings here on the Mississippi River Delta. And you can see this line stretches from Tupelo back just north to Birmingham and passing Nashville now. And they're going to continue to see round after round of storms here today. For us, an easterly breeze keeps things very, very quiet. Just a 10, maybe 20% chance of rain over the Everglades and our inland communities. And then we dry out even more as we head through the next couple of afternoons. So if you're taking the boat out, sea fog here early. Winds east 10 knots. That'll keep our seas 1 to 2 feet. And as we look at the days ahead, we eventually go to cool down, but we got to go to the early parts of next week. 74 on Monday and sneak peek of Tuesday. We'll struggle to make it out of the mid 60s.